Source Media, and today I'll show you how to create a retro sunburst effect using Photoshop. So let's create a new file. I'm going to use 12,000 by 12,000 pixels for my size, and choose your foreground and background color, and go use the gradient tool. If you couldn't find the gradient tool, just hold this section and this will pop up here on the side. So I'm going to use this and hold Shift key down to the bottom and select filter and then distort and then directly to the wave. You first need to create stripes of light blue and dark blue. So just play with this until you get the stripes, then OK, and this will be shown. And the next step is go again to filter, then distort, then go to polar coordinates, then choose rectangular color, and that's it. I hope that helps. Bye.